Google Workspace is a popular business suite of world-class productivity and collaboration apps built for all types and sizes of business. Google Workspace also offers a professional business email service. And today I'm going to help you get up and running with all of the essential Google Workspace features that you need to know. So hey guys, stay here, welcome along to this channel. I hope all is well in your world. Now in this Google Workspace tutorial for beginners, I'm going to gently take your hand and walk you through how you can use Google Workspace so that your entire business can make the most of this all in one business site. So the first thing you have to do is open your web browser and dive into workspace.google.com. So this is the homepage. As you can see, we have here various information. And right now, to use Google Workspace effectively, start by setting up your account through the Google Admin Console, where you can manage users, set permissions, and customize your domain settings. So first of all, you have just to click Start. Once you do that, you will find other page, which is getting started. Here you have company name. For example, I will write. Then we have a number of employees here, including you. So I will just choose between 2 and 9, or you can also use between 10 and 9, or you can use only you. Also, we have 100 and 299, and we have more than 300. And also we have our regions. You have to choose your regions. We have your first countries, as you can see. Then we have here discover a new way to work with generative AI. With Google Workspace, you can purchase Gemini is an add-on to create, communicate, and collaborate in a new way. Then you click over next, and we find here what are your contact details. Because you create the Google Workspace account, you will be the administrator. So I will write my full name. For example, I will write Mike and the name here. And then I will comment also my email address. But before we have here, because you create the Google Workspace account, you will be the administrator. You have to read it. Then you click over next, and you will find here other page, which is choose a method to set up your account. To set up your company's email and Google Workspace account, you will need to have a domain as example.com. So we have the first one, it's get a new custom domain, buy a new domain and grow your print online. Then we have the second one, it's configure with your existing domain. Use the domain you already own. So I will click over this one and I will click over continue. Then I will find this page, which is what is your company's domain name. Enter your company's domain name. You will use this name to set up custom email addresses such as info here example.com. We will tell you later how to confirm that your company owns this domain. So you will write your name of your domain, for example, also .com, don't forget .com. And you click over next. Once you do that, you will find other page. What you have to do is write your personal information, also like number, phone, city, your address, your code postal, and then you click over next again, and you will find other page which you have to like your email address and your code. Then you get started with Workspace. So this is how it works with it. And let's come back to the home page. And we have here various information. Like the first things that we have here, create, exchange, and collaborate with the potential of EA, a solution that brings together the applications popular with more than 3 billion users, Gmail, Calendar, Drive, Meet, and many others, now available with Gemini for Workspace to boost productivity with EA. So once your account is set up, users can access various applications like Gmail for email, Google Drive for file storage, and Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides for document creation and collaboration, Entourage team members to use Google Meet for virtual meetings and Google Calendar for scheduling, leverage shared drives for collaborative projects, and explore Google Workspace's integration capabilities with other tools you use. Regularly review and adjust settings to ensure security and optimize your workflows. So if we come back here, we have productivity and collaboration tools that adapt to all modes of work. So you have just to watch this video until the end to know more about workspace.com. So we have here, as you can see, no problem, I finish, and this is how it works. We have your location ideas, location brainstorming, we have name here, creator votes, and other things. Then if we scroll down, we have discovered the professional world of tomorrow. Keep up to date with Google Workspace news, events, and more. We have here discover new ways to work with Gemini for Workspace. I've downloaded our Gemini for Workspace manual to learn more about Gemini. You have here keep up to date with product news and updates on the Google Workspace blog. Gemini Query Writing Guide for Google Workspace. Learn how Gemini can help your business at our digital event Gemini at Work on September 24. Then we have here find the answers to our questions. We have here various questions. As you can see, we have what products are included in Google Workspace. You can just click over here and you get your answer. What is Gemini for Workspace and where can I find out more about it? Which Google Workspace plan is best for my business? It is possible to try Google Workspace before commencement. And we have how do I sign up for Google Workspace? What is the difference between G Suite and Google Workspace? If we come back here, so let's know why we use Google Workspace. Google Workspace is widely used because it offers a comprehensive set of cloud-based productivity tools that enhance collaboration and efficiency. With applications like Gmail, Google Drive, Docs, Sheets, and Meet, it allows teams to work seamlessly together in real time, regardless of location. Its integration and accessibility make it easy to share files, communicate, and manage projects effectively, all within a secure and user-friendly environment. The flexibility and scalability of Google Workspace cater to both small businesses and large enterprises, making it a versatile choice for various organizational needs. Also, we have here other options like solutions here. We have products here and sectors. We have EA, tariffs, resources, administration, console, and contact the sales department. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.